Hello kids, I'm Harish. Today I'm going to read you a story about a bird which is trying to build a nest for herself. But everywhere she builds a nest, something or the other disturbs her. So let's see how she builds a nest for herself. The story is called A Special Nest. The original story is from Kavita Singh and it is illustrated by Partho Sengupta and published by Room to Read. Here it goes. Winter is approaching. A bird decides to build a nest. She gathers little twigs and builds her nest carefully over the tree. After a lot of care and hard work, the nest is ready. It is warm and cozy. The bird is happy. She lies down and begins daydreaming of a comfortable winter. As she is about to fall asleep, she feels something shaking. The bird thinks maybe the wind is shaking the nest a little. But the nest shakes and trembles and shakes some more. The bird flies out of the nest. The next moment, the nest falls to the ground. The bird sees an elephant using the tree to scratch her back. She is quite annoyed. "This is so rude of you, elephant," she says to her angrily and flies away. She begins to search for a new place, a place where elephants can't reach her. She starts building a new nest. With care and hard work, she builds a home. Tired, she falls asleep. Just as she is about to close her eyes, she sees two big, round eyes. They are staring at her. It's a painter. He takes her nest and throws it away. Then he picks up a brush and starts painting the wall. The bird is very annoyed. "This is so rude of you, human," she says to him angrily and flies away. Her heart is heavy with worry. As she flies, she sees a balloon floating in the air. And another. She looks below and sees lots and lots of balloons. The bird looks at the balloons and has an idea. With care and hard work, she builds a new nest. This time, nobody can disturb her. This is the end of the story, children. Hope you like the story. Bye.